Hey guys, this is deleted footage from my recent Boyfriend Does My Makeup video. I had to cut this out of the video, but I thought it would still be fun to watch. So these are the clips of Shawn picking out my makeup before we went ahead and filmed the look. So I thought it would be fun to share. I hope you enjoy. All right, so this is going to be a real test if I have a steady hand with the camera, but what you're going to do now, are you ready?
Yeah, I feel like I'm on like Food Network where they're like, you have 60 seconds to pick out all the ingredients for your meal.
Yeah, like Guys
My
Grocery.
look. Yeah,
Guys Grocery games. All right, so what you're gonna do is I'm gonna tell you where each like makeup items are organized in my little thing here, and we're doing a full face.
Okay.
So you're gonna have to pick out each makeup item required to do a full face. Okay. So let's take a look.
All right.
So those bottom two are palettes.
Okay.
This one on the left is going to be face palettes, so like blush palettes, bronzer contour palettes, and there's also some lashes in there if you wanted to venture into lashes. The one on the right, don't touch that. That's stuff that I need to film with that just we're not going to use today.
Off limits.
Yeah, off limits.
Okay.
Then up here, we have blush and highlighter.
Oh, I always compliment you on your highlight.
You do. Then we have bronzer and powder, foundation and concealer, primer, lipstick, lip gloss, lip liner. You probably don't need these. These are like glitter and extra eyeshadow.
Okay.
Mascara, lash glue, brow pencils, eyeshadow primer, and eyeliner.
And I can only use what I can fit in this thing.
So
like I only have this to work
So
with.
you're going to fill up the makeup bag with what you want to use, and you only need really one of each, okay?
Did you say like ready, set, go?
All right, go ahead. So we're picking out the palette first.
All right. Do I pick one of these and one of these?
You really just need one eyeshadow palette, I think.
Okay, let me see. Stone Cold Fox. I think that might be a good one. That's going to be the baby combo.
Okay.
What's Hawaii got going on?
It's a nice neutral palette.
Could be fun.
Okay.
Oh, is this the Disney one?
Oh yeah, that's one of the Disney princess ones. No?
Not what I'm going for.
What look are we going for?
I don't know. I'm hoping that I know.
Well, do you want to do colorful or neutral?
That's what I'm trying to understand.
That's my limoncello palette.
Ooh, I might do this one.
Yeah. Good choice, good choice.
Yeah. I think that. Let me see. What's this one got going on? Untamed. All right. I like a lot of the names in this one.
Okay. All right. That's your file. Okay.
All right. Let me see. What's got
All right. Next ingredient. Oh, more palettes. Okay.
Oh, am I not?
You
Did I
can
pick too
go
many?
ahead. Go ahead.
All right. Let's see what are these ones. They're like trading cards.
Oh my gosh. All right. Well, try not to undo the nice order I just put
No,
them
no.
all in today.
Okay. A little ray of sunshine. Blush crush.
Nice pink.
All right. I like this one too.
Okay.
All right.
All right.
Let's see if that's good. All right. What next? What do I have
All
to pick
right,
up next?
so up on the next shelf
This
to the
one.
left,
Yeah.
you have bronzer palettes, contour palettes, you have lashes if you're feeling brave.
Yeah, we're definitely doing lashes. It's the longest lash I can get you. Flutter lashes. Those are good.
Okay.
Ooh, I like these ones. I like this.
Okay.
No, I don't think that's gonna go with my look. All right, is there anything else in here that I didn't grab?
Whatever it's...
Oh shit, there are flowers in here?
No, okay, stay away from the special effects stuff. Stay away from that stuff. You're not gluing flowers to my face today.
Wait, can I put one of these on here?
Oh, God.
Alright, I won't do that. Alright, what's next?
Okay,
Now I have to pick out stuff from up here?
yep, so face primer. This is a test to see if you actually watch my videos or not. See which ones. Oh, there's also some like lip balm and lip prep in there.
Is this the basket that I would find that,
What?
the one that's like better than sex?
No, that's mascara.
Oh, that was mascara.
I don't have any.
I like
of that.
these two.
I don't have.
Do I have
any.
enough?
So one's a lip balm.
Yep.
And the other one's a
is
face primer. Okay, great,
face primer?
great. Yeah, the elf poreless putty.
Yep.
Good one.
Seen your video on it, so
Yeah,
I knew
okay.
it was a safe pick.
All right.
Okay, and then
Foundation and concealer. So you need one foundation and one concealer. Just pay attention to the color.
one foundation, one concealer.
And there's some
This is like you don't want to shake this, right?
There's some body glow in there too.
Oh, shit.
That's body glow, so that's not foundation.
Okay, alright.
Okay, all right.
Might want it on there, might want it. We're going out after this, right?
Hmm. Yeah.
Debatable. Nice. It's got SPF.
It does. And what color is it?
Caramel beige.
Do you think that's good for my color right now?
Let me see. Yeah, it could be good.
Alright. Put it in.
Alright. And then so that's a what? That's a concealer?
That's foundation. The smaller tubes are concealer.
Oh, these small ones?
Yeah.
Does it say like a color on them?
They do. Sometimes it's on the bottom, sometimes it's on the cap.
Oh, macadamia. So does macadamia and caramel, they go well together.
Okay, perfect.
Alright. I'm just thinking of like flavor profiles.
Okay. Could be onto something there.
Bear with me. So that's supposed to make you look like you don't have anything on? Maybe?
Yeah, maybe. Could have a little bit more of a natural finish.
Okay, hang on. I might look at that. Alright, so we got that.
Okay.
Alright, now I gotta pick one of these out.
Okay, so in there, you need to pick a bronzer and a setting powder.
Set it and forget it, baby.
Yep.
Alright. Finishing powder. Oh, this is I need the bigger the better.
Okay.
Where's this one bigger? I love Revolution. What's this one? Yeah, let's give Anastasia insurance.
Anastasia. Okay.
Is that what it is?
You're right, you're right.
Anastasia. Let's give her a shot. Alright. Butter bronzer. Ooh, Coconut Beach. It's a bronzer. Alright, I'm gonna go with, let me see, do I like this one? I just have to challenge to get it open.
So both of those, you can use both of those because that sparkly one I use as a bronzer topper
Oh!
to give it some glow.
Okay, sweet, sweet. I love that.
Okay.
Okay.
Whoa, careful.
And then this one we're not using.
Blush and highlighter.
I need this one?
Yep. One of each.
Oh,
So,
wow. I'm instantly drawn to these.
okay. They're kind of hard to get open. You have to really pull it.
I don't have nails.
It's actually easier without nails.
We're going to put those on pause for a second. This would go with these two, right?
What do you think?
Like this is going all over your face, and then this one will go specifically on your cheeks.
Correct.
Okay. So I gotta kind of like make sure that these match. It's a big decision.
It is. I appreciate the thought you're putting into it.
Yeah, am I doing better or worse than you thought I was going to do already?
You're doing good.
Alright. Ooh, this might do good. Jaclyn Hill.
Jaclyn Hill. Okay.
And I need something else in here too.
You need one blush and one highlight. That's a cream blush.
That like more challenging?
A little bit trickier to work with, yeah.
Let's not do that one then. Sweet Cheeks, I like this one.
Also a cream blush.
So this one's tough too. Alright, so you're talking about like these, right? Like
That's a stick. So, can you tell the difference between the ones that are powder and cream? The powder ones are in those compacts, like that.
okay.
Creams are in the different packaging.
Alright.
So, that might be easy for you. Just pull it open. Yep.
Yeah. So then I pull this up, right?
Yep, and you could
Nice.
just stick it on my face.
Stick it right on your face. Yeah, so these are probably pretty good.
Okay.
Which one do I want?
Those yellow ones go with the limoncello palette. They're from the same collection.
Oh, sick. Panic time. Alright, let's go with that color.
Picnic time, not panic time.
I'm just thinking like when we get to that point, I might be panicking.
Uh-huh. Okay.
Alright, so now
Oh, you know what? Yeah, sorry. I just remembered I forgot setting spray, but I'll bring those out for you in a sec.
Yeah, because then we gotta set it and forget it.
Yep. Alright, so now we need a lipstick, far left.
Okay. I don't like it. It's too bright.
Whoa, did you put it back down before you put the...
Yeah. Not all the way. Sorry. I'm new to this. I've never seen... What does this one do? Alright, I like this one. Let me see what it looks like on my skin.
See what it looks like? Wait, let me get the swatch. Okay,
Looks pretty good.
How's it look?
I like that. Whoa, wrong way.
Which one? What's that?
This, I don't know what this one is. Milani? What's this one? No.
Let me see the top of that one. Is that the one you smushed? Oh,
No, that's a different one. I kind of like this.
Is that Belle? That's one of my favorites.
What is this one? No, Ariel.
Oh, Ariel. I like Ariel too.
Very cool. I don't know, there's a lot of princess names on that.
There's That one that had the face palettes in it has makeup wipes in it if you want to wipe the lipstick off your hand.
Well, the gloss goes over it, right? So I picked this one, so I gotta like do the swatches over it.
Okay, yeah, go ahead. Go ahead. I'll let you do your thing.
I got it. God, there's so much.
That one's pretty pigmented. Some of them are more sheer, some of them are really pigmented.
Okay. Alright, lip oil. Is that a good one?
Mm-hmm. Whatever you think.
This is kind of clear. I like that because I like I can just put a clear coat over the nice lipstick that I picked out.
Okay. Alright, so now you need a lip liner that matches your lipstick.
Oh, sheesh. Pretty close. How do you know the difference?
Sharpen.
How do you just know the difference that's a different color? It looks the same to me.
It's magic.
It is magic. It is absolutely magic. Is it like a thing where like you could just like get crazy like different contrasts?
You could try it.
Like
see how it looks.
Like that one doesn't have a tip. That like just do that one. This one's gold. This one's tiny, so you must use it a lot. Let's see.
Well, my sharpener actually ate that.
Okay. I don't know. I still like the first one I picked out of everything.
Okay.
Last one. I think I probably picked up all of them at this point.
Okay.
No, I think I got this one. All right, so this is the one.
Okay.
This one matches.
Okay.
According to my eye.
Okay, so now that next one.
Yeah.
You need eyeshadow primer.
Okay.
Lash glue, mascara, maybe a brow pencil.
Glue, brow glue.
Brow glue.
I need that, right?
Okay.
Lash princess.
That's mascara.
Okay. I need that though, right?
Yep, you need it.
Are all mascaras the same, or are they kind of like?
Some of them are different. A lot of the ones that I have a specific preference, so.
All right, so I need this.
You need that. All right, you still need an eyeshadow primer.
Eyeshadow primer. What does that look like?
That's one.
This is one?
Yep.
Okay. Very cool. What else do I need out of here?
Brow pencil and lash glue.
Here's a pencil.
Okay, perfect.
Okay, cool. I got everything out of here.
All right, and then that last one is eyeliner.
Oh, I'm crazy with this one, huh? Eyeliner, so it's like this. I'm terrified to do this part.
You know how to do it from when you dressed up as Jack Sparrow.
Yeah.
You keep picking up that mint one. You like that color, right?
I like that color. Alright, it's not like the look I'm going for though. I don't like want to say no to it yet, so we're gonna throw it in there.
Go ahead, throw it in the bag. Does it fit?
Put this in there.
Okay.
I'm trying to think of like what colors go good with like the neutral. I maybe purple might work.
Okay.
Alright.
Sounds good.
Okay.
All right, you got all your stuff? Let me see it.
Okay, so
Let me see.
I've got all my stuff. I've got my primers, I've got my palettes, I've got my pencils, I've got my set it and forget it.
Okay. Oh wait, let's pick a setting spray. Hold on, let me get them out for you.
Anastasia.
All right, so here's our lineup of setting spray.
Oh, slay all day.
Yeah.
That's more like. I'm not married to it, but I don't hate it.
Just gonna smell all of them. Try spraying them on your face.
On my face?
Yeah, you can smell it.
Yeah, like this. Yeah, I like that one.
Okay. So some of them are like more mattifying, some of them are more dewy.
I feel like this one's going to make your face look that color. Is that right?
Not that color, but it has like shimmers in it. That one's...
Got myself in the eye. Got myself in the eye.
You're supposed to close your eye.
I did close my eye.
That one smells like oranges though, right? I love that one.
Yeah, it makes my eye smell like oranges. Alright. I think I'm going to go slay all day.
Slay all day? Alright, you don't even want to look at the others. You've had enough.
This one's intimidating. Make it last.
Your mouth open for that one.
Alright. Alright. Try and pick up the last one.
Okay. Oh, there's one more?
Just
shut your eyes and your mouth before you
It's the whole
spray
process.
it.
All right, I'm good with set it. What did I pick? Slay all day.
Slay
I'm good
all
with
day.
slay all day.
Okay, all right.
Yeah, I'm good with that one.
Okay, perfect.
All right.
All right, so we have our picks. You ready to do this?
Yeah,
Ready
let's
to
do it. This,
All right.
this, we're not even done yet.
I know, we haven't even started. We gotta get to the good part.
All right, let's rock and roll.
All right.